butterflies. Happy morning to all. Welcome to English time. Let's start our class. Are you ready? Yes, very good. How was the previous class? Did you understand the poem? Did you like that poem? Yes, very good. Who is your superheroes? Who is your superheroes? Yes, all of us have many superheroes, isn't it? Okay, today we are going to discuss the activities of the poem The Land of Storybooks. Okay, are you ready? Okay, all of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Take page number 26. Take page number 26. There is first activity. Show what you know. All of you take that. Show what you know. A. Did you understand the poem? Did you understand? Tick the right box to show that you have understood. Tick the right box. Your teacher will give you a smiley if you score a 5. First one. The poet's parents spend their evenings. The poet's parents spend their evenings. How they are spending their evenings? Look at the options. Which is the correct option? Option A, lighting lamps. Option B, talking and singing at home. C, playing games. What is the correct answer? Yes, very good. Talking and singing at home. They are talking and singing. We already discussed about that. Okay, the second one, the poet spends his evenings. Option A, along the forest track. B, feeling upset about his parents' behavior. C, playing. What was the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Yes, option C is the correct answer. Playing. He is playing. Third one, the poet plays. Option A, all by himself. Option B, with his nurse. C, with his parents. What's the correct answer? Yes, all by himself. He is playing alone. He is doing all things himself. Fourth one, when the poet says, and play at books that I have read till it is time to go to bed. He means, what he means by these lines? Option A, he plays with the books he has read. B, he imagines a story and acts it out. C, he reads stories till his bedtime. What is the correct answer? Yes, option C is the correct answer. He reads stories till his bedtime. That is the correct answer. Last one. By home, I return across the sea. The poet means that. What did the poet means? Option A, he goes home. Option B, he crosses the sea to return home. C, his imaginary adventure is over. His imaginary adventure is over. What is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. His imaginary adventure is over. Did you understand? All of you finished? Okay, very good. Next, B. B question, look at the B question. Does the poet want to go to bed? Does the poet want to go to bed? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is your answer? Circle the answer. If yes, you circle yes. If no, circle no. Okay. Which lines tell you so? Write in your notebook. You have to write the lines. Which lines? All of you take page number 26. In last stanza, there is the answer. In last stanza. All of you say? Yes. The line which tells us this is, and go to bed with backward looks at my dear land of storybooks. That is the answer. You have to write it in your notebook. Okay. Then look at the C question. C. Use the clue box to describe the poet's fantastic world. Use the clues. There is clue box. woods, lion, stars, river, storybooks. You have to fill this. Okay, I will read. The child poet R.L. Stevenson lives in a fantastic world. It is the world of yes, storybooks. It is the world of storybooks. The books have hills and words. What is the answer? Words. He spends time all by himself under the stars. There is also a river. River is the correct answer. There is also a river. The dash come to drink water at its banks. What is that? Yes, the lion. Lion is the correct answer, isn't it? Okay. All of you finished? Okay, all of you take page number 28. Next activity, word smart. Find words from the poem to rhyme with each of these words. Add 2 more words of your own each. You have to find out 2 more words. Okay. First one, I will show you here. Look at the board. First one, lit. Lit. What is this rhyme word? Another word. From poem, can you find out that? Yes, sit. Lit, sit. The 2 words are ending in same sound, isn't it? Lit, sit. Another word, can you find out? Anyone? Yes. Pit. Lit, sit, pit. Then another one. Bit. You have to write it in your textbook. Okay. One more time I will read. Lit, sit, pit, bit. Look at the board. Second one. Crawl. Crawl. Is there any other words from the poem? Can you find out? Crawl. Yes, very good. Wall. Crawl. Wall. Any other words can you find out? Any other words? Small. Small. Then small. Tall. Did you get the idea? Next one. Third. Look at the third one. Spy. Spy. Is there any rhyme words? Can you find out from the poem? Spy. Lie. Lie. Another one. Can you find out? Yes. Cry. Cry. Fry. Okay. Did you understand? One more time I will read. Spy. Lie. Cry. Fry. Then fourth one. Brink. Can you find out other word? Brink. Yes. Drink. Brink. Drink. Any other words can you find out? Sink. Sink. Clink. One more time I will read. Brink. Drink. Sink. Clink. Next one, fifth one. Away. Away. Find out the another word. Away. Lay. Away. Lay. Bray. Pray. Did you understand? Okay. Sixth one. Looks. Looks. What is the rhyme word? Other word? Books. Looks. Books. Then cooks. Cooks and hooks. cooks, hooks. Okay. Did you understand that? Did you understand? Okay, very good. All of you write it in your notebook. Okay. Okay, next one. Dictionary focus. Dictionary focus. All of you look at that. Avi and Anvi want to arrange their room library according to the names of the authors of the books. Help them. Do remember that such books are arranged by considering the last name of the author. How will you arrange the books of these authors? How will you arrange? Okay, I will help you. If you look at the textbook, here is some names. Roald Dahl, Enid Blyton, R.K. Narayan, J.K. Rowling, Agastya Christie, Vikram Seth. We have to arrange this. Okay, look at the board and correct it. First one. Who is the correct one? First one. Who is? Yes, first one. Blyton Enid. Blyton Enid. Second one. Christie Augusta. All of you look at the board. Christie Augusta. Second one. Third one. Dahl Roald. Third one. Dahl Roald. Fourth one. Narayan R.K. Fourth one. Narayan R.K. Fifth one. Rowling J.K. Rowling J.K. Sixth one. Seth Vikram. Sixth one. Seth Vikram. Once more I will read. Blyton Enid. Second. Christie Augusta. Third. Dahl Roald. Fourth. Narayan R.K. Fifth. Rowling J.K. Sixth. Seth Vikram. All of you get the idea? All of you get the answers? Okay, very good. Next activity. Look at the next activity. Thinking caps on. Thinking caps on. Recognize each of these storybook characters and match them to the book to which they belong. There is some pictures. Do you know the characters? There is some pictures of some characters. Do you know? Can you identify them? Can you identify? Okay. Look at the first picture A. There is some books. I will read the book's name. Listen carefully. First one, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, Noddy and the Milkman, Little Red Riding Hood, Chacha Chowdhury, Birbal the Jest, The Jungle Book, The Ramayana, Pinocchio. Okay, you have to match this. First one, who is the character? Can you identify? Do you know the character? Option A. Yes, option A. The character of Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. You just match it. All of you match that. Look at the board and match it. A. Little Red Riding Hood. B. What is the B? What is the answer? Which character is that? B. Noddy and the Milkman. Noddy and the Milkman. All of you arranged that? Match it. Understood? Option C. Who is that? Look at the C. Who is that? Pinocchio. Who? Pinocchio. Then D. Who is that? I think that is very familiar with you. D. Yes, Birbal the Jest. Birbal the Jest. Then E. Who is that? Chacha Chowdhury. Chacha Chowdhury. Then F. F. Who is that? Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. He is the character of the book. Understood? Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Then G. Who is that? In which book you read the character? Read about the character? Yes, the Ramayana. The Ramayana. Then H. Last one. This is also very familiar with you. H. Who is that? In which story you read about the character? Yes, the Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. All of you look at the board and match it correctly. Okay. All of you finished? Let's move to the next one. Next activity. All of you take page number 30. Page number 30. All of you take page number 30. Listen a while. Listen a while. Your teacher will read out a few words that rhyme with very or shy. Listen carefully and write the word that sounds as per the category. That is the question. Very and shy. I will read first one, very. Very. Look at the board. Fairy. Very. Fairy. Hairy. Then another word. Scary. Then very, merry. One more time I will read. Very, fiery, hairy, scary, berry, merry. Did you get the idea? Okay. Next, shy. This is rhyming words. All these words are ending in same sound, isn't it? Yes, that is rhyming words. Then shy. Other word ending with this same sound. Do you know? Can you say? Yes, very good. My. Shy. My. Then spy. We already learned that word. Spy. Then sky. Look at the board. Sky. Then fly. Very good. Fly. Then why. These all words are ending in same sound, isn't it? Okay, one more time. I will read. Shy, my, spy, sky, fly, why. All these sentences are ending in same sound, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Last one. Write a why. Write a why. Here is the outline of a story. Develop it into a complete story. Write at least 10 sentences in your notebook. This is your homework. You have to do it as your homework. Okay. Here is some clues for you. The modern crow. You have to elaborate it and make a story. Make a full story. Okay. I will read the clues. A thirsty crow saw a pot of water, very little water, could not drink, bought a straw, put in the jug, drank, flew away. Understood? This is the modern crow, not old one. Okay, you have to make the story of the modern crow, what he done. Okay, what it done. Understood? Okay, dears. Now it's time to wind up our class. Okay, dears. Now it's time to wind up our class. Okay, all of you do your homework with the help of your parents and see you next time. Bye.